Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss trigonometry part 4. In this part 4 I'm going to discuss transformations and period and periodicity of trigonometric ratios. So these two topics along with the examples we are going to discuss. So before proceeding to our topic, in the part 3, I gave you these homework questions: sine 6 degrees, sine 42 degrees, sine 66, sine 78. So these questions are given to solve. So let's see how to solve these questions. So let's see how to solve these questions. So here the first question is sine 6, sine 42, sine 66, sine 78. So first question is sine 6 degrees, sine 42 degrees, sine 66 degrees, sine 78 degrees. So if you'll look at this, what we have here. So we know the formula. Sine theta, sine 60 minus theta, sine 60 plus theta. So this is what we will get. So according to this, so if I'll compare, first I'll write the formula: sine theta, sine 60 minus theta into sine 60 plus theta. Sine 60 plus theta. This is equal to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta we will get. 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. So according to this, let's see which terms we can take here. So if you look at here, this is our theta. So how can we write this one? So sine 42 we cannot take here. 60 plus 6 we will get, right? So we'll get 60 plus 6. And here 78 we cannot write 60 minus 6. So what we have to do, we have to multiply and divide with the sine 54 here. So let's multiply and divide with sine 54 here. So I'll get sine 6 degrees into sine 54 multiply and divide with sine 54 and sine 66. So we can keep sine 42 aside and sine 78. So this is the first step. So according to the formula, if you want to solve. So for this sine 6, sine 54, sine 66, how can we write this? Sine 6 degrees into sine 60 minus 6 degrees and sine 60 plus 6 degrees into sine 42 into sine 78 degrees divided by, so we have sine 54 degrees. So for this, we can apply the formula directly: 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. So if you'll apply that formula, what you'll get is 1 by 4 sine 3 into 6 degrees into sine 42 into sine 78 into sine 78. So what you will get here, what we will get, so divided by we have sine 54 divided by sine 54. So this is 1 by 4 sine 18 degrees, 3 into 6, and sine 42 degrees into sine 78 degrees by sine 54 we will get, right? So for this, now again, if you look at this numerator, 18 degrees, this 60 minus 18 we can write, this we can write 60 plus 18. So again we can convert into the same formula. So let's write 1 by 4 sine 18 degrees and sine 42 degrees. Sine 42 here, how can we write? Sine 60 minus 18 degrees, sine 60 minus 18 degrees into sine 78 is sine 60 plus 18 degrees divided by sine 54 degrees. Sine 54 degrees we can write. So this is equal to 1 by 4. Already 1 by 4 is there. So 1 by 4 sine 3 theta again. Sine 3 into 18 degrees divided by sine 54 degrees. So this will become 1 by 16 into sine 54 degrees by sine 54 degrees. So these two gets cancelled. So you'll get 1 by 16 as the answer for this question. So this is the first question. So what is the second question? They are given cos 10, cos 30, cos 50, cos 70. So second homework question is cos 10, cos 30, cos 50, cos 70. So how can we write this one? If you look at the solution for this one, here also we can use the same formula, cos theta into cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. So this is the formula which we can use to solve this problem. So here if you look at this cos 30 is directly we know root 3 by 2. So just we'll substitute root 3 by 2 here. So now this is cos 10 degrees into cos 50 can be written as cos 60 minus 10 degrees, and cos 70 we can take like 60 plus 10 degrees. So this is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 cos 3 into 10 degrees we will get. So this is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 means root 3 by 8 into cos 30 degrees. That means root 3 by 8 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 by 16 is the answer for this question. So this is the way how we will solve that homework question. So now let's see the transformations today. So how can we take the transformations in the trigonometry? So today's topic is transformations. So let's see transformations. The transformations. So what are the transformations? Already we know sine a plus b plus sine a minus b we know. So the result of this one we are already saw in the video 2 part 2. So sine a plus b plus sine a minus b is 2 sine a cos b. So what I will do is here I'll assume a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. So if I'll assume like this, if I'll subtract, if I'll add these two, so I'll get 2a is equal to c plus d. So from here we'll get a is equal to c plus d by 2. When I'll subtract these two, so a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to c. When I'll d, so it will subtract here, sign will be changed, minus, plus and minus. These two gets cancelled. You'll get 2b is equal to c minus d and b is equal to c minus d by 2. So these two results we are going to use in all the four formulae. So by that we'll get 4 transformations. So this is the first result. A value is c plus d by 2. B value is c minus d by 2. So if I'll substitute this in this formula, I'll get sine c plus sine d is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So this is the first formula in transformations. And formula number 2 is, we know sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. So this what we know. So we know like 2 cos a sine b. So here if I'll substitute the same results, I'll get sine c minus sine d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So formula number 3 in the transformations. So cos A plus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That will get like 2 cos A, 2 cos A, cos B. So we'll substitute the AB values and A plus B, A minus B values. We'll get cos C plus cos D formula as the 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So comes to the fourth formula in this, cos A plus B, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, minus cos A minus B is minus 2 sin A sin B. So this is what the formula we know. So according to this, we will get cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. And another way also we can write this formula like when this will become plus. So here the changes will be 2 sin C plus D by 2 as usual. And here C minus D will become D minus C by 2. So for cos C minus cos D, we can write the formula like this, or we can write the formula like this also. So two different ways we can write. So these are the 4 transformations what we have in the trigonometry. So based on this, let's we see the problems first, then we will go with the next topic. So let's see the examples. Let's see the examples. So question number 1. So question number 1, find the value of 4 into cos 66 degrees plus sine 84 degrees. Sine 84 degrees. So let's see the solution for this one. So what is the solution for this one? So we don't have either in cos or sine. So anyone we have to change it into another trigonometric ratio. So let's we take the question first. 4 into cos 66 degrees plus sine 84 degrees. Here what I will do is, I'll take this sine 84, I'll try to change it to the cos terms. So like that, what I will do is 4 into cos 66 plus sine 84 can be written as 90 minus 6 degrees. 90 minus 6 degrees. So we can write this one as 4 into cos 66 degrees plus sine 90 minus theta is plus cos theta. So cos 6 degrees we will get. Now this is in the form of cos C plus cos D formula. So cos C plus cos D formula is what? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So cos C plus cos D formula is this one. So according to this one, what we can do here is 4 into 2 cos C plus D by 2 means 66 plus 6 by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means 66 minus 6 by 2. So this is what we will get here. So this is equal to 4 to the 8. So cos of 72 degrees by 2 into cos 60 degrees by 2. So what we will get this one? 8 into cos 36 degrees into cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees value, cos 36 degrees value is what? So 8 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. This we have discussed in the previous part. Into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So here 8 ones, this will be gets cancelled. So you'll get root 3 into root 5 plus 1 is the value of this one. Or we can simplify this one some more like root 15 plus root 3 also. So this is the answer for this question. So hope everyone understood. So let's see the next question. What is the next question? And this next question is show that first question is sine 34 degrees plus cos 64 degrees minus cos 4 degrees is equal to 0. And the second question is sine 78 degrees minus sine 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees is equal to 0. So these two we have to prove. Let's see the solution for this one. So solution for this one is, first I'll take the LHS here. I'll take the LHS for the first question. So what is the LHS they are given? Sine 34 degrees plus cos 64 degrees minus cos 4 degrees. So here these two we can apply cos C minus cos D formula. What is the cos C minus cos D formula? Minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. So this we can use here. So that we'll use for the two terms. So sine 34 will be as usual, plus cos 64 minus cos 4 is minus 2 sine C plus D by 2. 64 plus 4 divided by 2 into sine 64 minus 4 divided by 2. So this is the formula. So sine 34 minus 2 into sine of 64 means 68 here by 2 into sine of 60 by 2 means 30. So what we will get here? Sine 34 minus 2 into sine 34 into 1 by 2. So these two gets cancelled. Sine 34 minus sine 34 is equal to 0. So this is the first question in the second problem. Let's see the second one, what they're given. Sine 78 minus sine 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees. So here these two are same ratios. So we can apply sine C minus sine D formula here. We'll get 2 cos C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. Sine C minus D by 2. So if we'll apply this formula here, we'll get 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2 plus cos 132. Let it be like this only. According to the situation, we will change that. So 2 cos, what we'll get here? 96 by 2. 96 by 2. Sorry, here I written C minus D only. So what we will write here is 78 minus 18. So sine 60 by 2. Sine 60 by 2 we will get here plus cos 132. So here what we are getting is 96 by 2 means 48 we will get into sine 30 plus cos 132 we can write like 180 minus 48. 180 minus 48. So this is 2 cos 48 into sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, means minus cos 48 degrees. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cos 48 degrees minus cos 48 degrees is equal to 0. So we have proved both the questions. We have shown both the questions as 0. So let's see next. So next we will see one more thing, question number 3. So we'll see the question number 3. So what is the question number 3 is? Prove that cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B whole power n minus sin A minus sin B by cos A plus cos B whole power n is equal to 0 if n is even, minus 2 tan power n A minus B by 2 if n is odd. So this is what we have to prove. So based on the same formula, we can prove this one. So how to prove it? Let's see. So in the numerator, here we have cos C plus cos D form, so that we can write minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2 we can write. So divided by divided by sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d formula is what? 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. So whole power n we have, minus here sin c minus sin d means 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2 divided by cos c plus cos d, 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 whole power n. So if you look at this, 2 and 2, sin a plus b by 2, sin a plus b by 2, 2 cos a plus b by 2, 2 cos a plus b by 2 will be cancelled. What is the remaining? Minus of tan a minus b by 2 whole power n minus tan a minus b by 2 whole power n. This can be written as minus 1 whole power n into tan power n of a minus b by 2 minus tan power n of a minus b by 2. So in this case, if n is even, this minus 1 whole power n will become plus. So then it will become tan power n a minus b by 2 minus tan power n a minus b by 2, which is equal to 0. So if n is odd here, if n is odd, so what we'll get, we'll get negative. So we'll get minus tan power n a minus b by 2 minus tan power n a minus b by 2. So we'll get minus 2 into tan power n a minus b by 2. So a minus b by 2. So this is the way how we can prove this one. How can we prove this one? So next, we will see conditional trigonometry. So we will see conditional trigonometry. So what is this conditional trigonometry? So they will give certain condition of angles, and they will ask to find out different proofs for different trigonometry ratios. So next one is conditional trigonometry. So in this conditional trigonometry, what we can see, generally they'll give like this: if a plus b plus c is equal to pi means 180 degrees, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. So this is the direct formula when a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Let's see how to prove this one. So what they are given is, first what they are given is a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So what they're asking, LHS, let's see LHS, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. So here for these two, I'll apply the sin c plus sin d formula. So that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. So this is equal to, you'll get 2 sin 2a plus 2b means 2 times of a plus b by 2 into cos 2 times of a minus b by 2 plus sin 2c will be as usual. Sin 2c will be as usual. So what you will get here, this 2 and 2 cancel, this 2 and 2 cancel. So 2 sin a plus b into cos a minus b is equal plus sin 2c is as usual. So from the given a plus b plus c is equal to pi means a plus b will be pi minus c. So that we will substitute here. We will get 2 sin pi minus c into cos of a minus b plus sin 2c. So this is equal to sin 180 minus theta, here is sin theta only. So we'll get 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus this sine 2 theta. What is the sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine theta cos theta. So multiple angles. So we can write this one as 2 sine c cos c. If you write like this, from these two, we can take the 2 sine c common. From these two, we will take the 2 sine c common. So if I'll take 2 sine c common from these two, I'll get cos a minus b plus cos c. Again, this c, we can write from here, c is equal to pi minus a plus b. Pi minus a plus b. So we'll get 2 sine c into cos of a minus b plus cos of pi minus a plus b. This is equal to 2 sine c into cos of a minus b. So cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So cos of a plus b. So what is the formula for this one? So 2 sine c into 2 sine a sine b, because a plus b is here and a minus b ulta we have, so we'll get a plus. So totally we'll get 4 sine a sine b sine c as the answer. So what we can finalize is sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to 4 sine a sine b sine c. So this is what we can prove. This is what we can prove. So this is only they are asking to prove. If a plus b plus c is equal to 180, prove that sine 2a plus sine 2b plus c. So this is what we have proved. So what about the next one? Next similar kind of conditional trigonometry we will see. So the next one is if a plus b plus c is equal to pi. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to -1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. So previously in the previous question we saw sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. So now let's see cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. So in this, let's see the solution for this one. How can we prove? They are given LHS cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. So we know cos c plus cos d formula as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That we will apply for these two, or you can apply for these two, or we can apply for 2a and 2c also. So anyway, we can solve in the same way. So we'll get the same answer. So if I'll apply this 2 cos c plus d means 2a plus 2b, 2 is common, so a plus b by 2 into cos 2 into a minus b by 2 plus cos 2c. This is equal to 2 and 2 cancel, here 2 and 2 cancel, 2 cos a plus b into cos a minus b is plus cos 2c will be as usual. This cos 2c always, the third term always, you have to change based on what you will get in the system. So if you'll get sine, you have to change in terms of sine. If you'll get cos only, if you have to change to, you have to change it into the cos terms. So they are given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. From here, a plus b is equal to pi minus c. So that if you'll substitute here, 2 cos pi minus c into cos a minus b plus cos 2c. So cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So 2 cos c only will get here into cos of a minus b. Since we got the cos here we can apply cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos. That is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if I'll write in that way, I'll get 2 cos square c minus 1. So this minus 1 I'll take in the starting. So we'll get like minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b plus 2 cos square c we will get. So what we can do here next, From these two, we can take the minus 2 cos c common. So if I take the minus 2 cos c common here, I will get cos of a minus b. I'll get cos of a minus b minus cos c will be left out. So here again, this c from a plus b plus c is equal to pi. They are given. C can be written as pi minus of a plus b. Pi minus of a plus b. So that if I'll substitute here, so minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus cos pi minus a plus b bar bracket. So this is equal to, I'll get minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b. So minus cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, so it will become plus. So cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b. This is equal to minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. So from here we'll get so minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. I think we have to prove this one only here. Minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c here. So therefore cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. So if a plus b plus c is equal to, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 or pi. So this is the way how we will use the conditional trigonometry. So when they are given 180 degrees, it's not a problem. And here we are having the angles like 2a, 2b, 2c, multiple angles. If not multiple angles, if they are given for the same a plus b plus c is 180, sin a plus sin b plus sin c, what happens? The third point is, if a plus b plus c, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi only, then what happens about sin a plus sin b plus sin c? What happens about the sin a plus sin b plus sin c? So let's see. So what happens here? Let's see. Solution for this one is, for this I will apply sin c plus sin d formula, that 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So first let's apply this formula here. Let's apply this formula. So if we'll apply this formula here, what we'll get? Sin 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin c is as usual. This how can we write here? So a plus b plus c is 180. A plus b plus c is 180 means a plus b will be 180 minus c. But we need here a plus b by 2. That means it will become 90 minus c by 2. So that will substitute here. So 2 sin 90 minus c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c plus sin c. So from here what we will get? So we will get 2 sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we'll get cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus half angle, submultiple angle formula we can use here. So sin c we can write like 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. So this is equal to 2 cos c by 2 we can take common here. So we'll get cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2 we will get. So from the same this result, c by 2 what we will get? 90 minus a plus b by 2 we will get. So that if you will substitute here, you will get 2 cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos of 90 minus a plus b by 2. So bar bracket here. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Oh, sorry, here it is left out is sin. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So 2 cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos of a plus b by 2 we will get. So how can we reduce this? How can we simplify more is, This we will write like a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. So here cos a minus b or cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So that is a 2 cos a cos b. That means here we will get 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So by this we will get 4 cos 2 to the 4, 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. So therefore, what we will get is sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos a by 2 and cos b by 2 and cos c by 2. So similarly, we can find out for cos a plus cos b plus cos c. For this, what we will get when a plus b plus c is equal to pi, that means 180. So cos a plus cos b plus cos c, you will get 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So this is what we will get the result for this one. In a similar way, we can prove this one. We can prove this one. So you'll see some more different questions on the conditional trigonometry. See, this is one different question in the conditional trigonometry. So the question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. So sin c by 2. So here it will be minus 1 minute. So this is minus. So minus. See here, what you have to observe carefully is whichever the angle trigonometric ratio is minus, same thing you will get sine, and remaining all you will get cos. So let's see this one. They are given a plus b plus c is equal to 180. So what is the LHS we can take here is sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. So if I'll take any two, that's not a problem. So what I will do is I'll take these two. These two will take. These two I'll take. So how can I take this one? That is sine square a minus sine square b, which is sine a plus b into sine a minus b. So sine square a minus sine square a minus sine square b formula, that is sine a plus b into sine a minus b, sine a minus b. So this is the formula. This formula we can apply. So what we will get is the sine square a by 2, let it be as usual, plus sine a plus b. A plus b means b by 2 plus c by 2 into sine a minus b, means b by 2 minus c by 2. So this is equal to, we can write sine square a by 2 plus sine b plus c by 2 into sine b minus c by 2. So this is equal to, so what we will get here, sine square a by 2 plus sine b plus c by 2. Sine b plus c by 2 means here see what they are given is a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. This is a condition. We need b plus c is equal to pi minus a. So b plus c by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus a by 2 will get. So pi by 2 minus a by 2 will get into sine b minus c by 2. So let's see how we can write this one. This term we will see later. Sine 90 minus a by 2 is cos a by 2. So we'll get cos a by 2 into sine b minus c by 2. So according to cos a by 2, this we can write 1 minus cos square a by 2, because we need in terms of cos. So this is equal to 1. From these two, we can take minus cos a by 2 common. So we'll get cos a by 2 minus sine b minus c by 2. This is what we'll get. So again, if you'll see a plus b plus c is equal to pi, a will be pi minus b plus c. Pi minus b plus c. So from here you will get a by 2 is pi by 2 minus b plus c by 2 will get. That we will substitute here. So what we will get is 1 minus cos a by 2 into cos of pi by 2 minus b plus c by 2 minus sine of b minus c by 2. So this is equal to 1 minus cos a by 2 into cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So we'll get sine b plus c by 2 minus sine b minus c by 2. So this is equal to, again we can change this one as 1 minus cos a by 2 into sine b plus c by 2. We can change like b by 2 plus c by 2 minus sine b by 2 minus c by 2. So what is the formula we have for this one? First of all, it is in which form? So this is in the form of sine a plus b minus sine a minus b, which we can be write like 2 cos a sine b. So that we can simplify 1 minus cos a by 2 into 2 cos b by 2 into sine c by 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sine c by 2. So this is the what is the required answer? Sine c by 2. So 1 minus. So this is what proved. So therefore, so what we will get here? Sine square a by 2, sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 and sine c by 2. So this is where proved. So this is one more condition. So if we have question like this, question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. So this is what we have to prove. So how can we prove this one? So they are given a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees already. So given is a plus b plus c is 180 degrees, that is pi. So there is another way to solve. We have formula cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So according to this formula also, we can simplify this one. How means? See, what they're given is cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c. This is what they're given in LHS. So how can I write this one? 1 plus cos 2a by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2b by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2c by 2 we can write. So then this one will be 1 by 2 is common. So we'll get a 3 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. So just now we are found the cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is what we proved here. So 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. So 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus not 1 minus, we will get minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, so we'll get 2 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. This we can write 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos c, which will require no need to solve fully because we know already cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 3c value. So this is the another different question. So there will be one more kind of questions in this. So let's see that question is. If a plus b plus c is equal to 180, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that sine a by 2 plus sine b by 2 plus sine c by 2 is equal to 1 plus 4 sine pi minus a by 4 sine pi minus b by 4 sine pi minus c by 4. So this is another way of giving the answer for sine a by 2 plus sine b by 2 plus sine c by 2. So let's see the solution for this one. Let's see the solution for this one. So what is the solution for this one is, first I'll take the LHS. So I'll group the terms like sine a by 2 plus sine b by 2 plus sine c by 2 as the one term. So this we can write like sine c plus sine d, 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus sine c by 2, sine c by 2. So we will apply the formula. This can be written as 2 sine a plus b by 4 and cos a minus b by 4 plus sine c by 2. How can we write sine c by 2 here? We can write like cos 90 minus c by 2. That means sine c by 2 only. So this we can substitute here, 2 sine a plus b means we can substitute pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 2, b by 4 here, plus cos theta, this one we can write cos theta as 1 minus 2 sine square theta in terms of sine theta by 2. Here we have theta as the pi by 2 minus c by 2. So what will get 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2 means pi minus c by 4 we will get. Pi minus c by 4 will get. So you can write here 1 minus 2 sine square pi minus c by 4. This plus 1 I will write in the starting, plus we will take, we will write one more step here, pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 minus 2 sine square pi minus c by 4. So from the second and third term, so from these two, I can take 2 sine pi minus c by 4 common. So 1 plus 2 sine pi minus c by 4 common. So if I'll take this is common, so what I'll get is cos a minus b by 4 minus sine pi minus c by 4. This is what we'll get. So we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180. A plus b plus c is equal to pi. So from here, a plus b, you will get pi minus c. So this pi minus c value we will substitute here. So what you will get 1 plus 2 sine pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 minus sine of what we'll get here, a plus b by 4. A plus b by 4 will get. Yeah, before substituting here, we will try to change it to the cos because both we need cos terms. So how can we write this one is cos pi by 2 minus pi minus c by 4, we can write this one. So then we can write like, so 1 plus 2 sine pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 minus cos of what we'll get is pi by 2 minus pi by 4 plus c by 4. So that is equal to 1 plus 2 sine pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 minus cos of pi by 4 plus c by 4. Pi by 4 plus c by 4. So this is nothing but cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, like this we will get actually. So let's see 1 plus 2 sine pi minus c by 4 into cos of a by 4 minus b by 4 minus cos of here pi plus c means pi plus c means what we will get here, pi value, what we will get here. Let's we write this one a minus b by 4 only, then we can apply the cos c minus cos d. This is pi plus c by 4. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 sine pi minus c by 4 into here cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sine we can apply. So minus 2 sine c plus d by 2. Here cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. So this is the formula for this one. So then what we'll get here is 1 minus 4 sine pi minus c by 4, pi minus c by 4, and the sine of here you will get a minus b plus pi plus c by 8 into sine a minus b minus pi plus c by 8. So this is what we'll get here. This is equal to 1 minus 4 sine pi minus c by 4 into sine of. So here a plus c we can write pi minus b. Already we have plus pi minus b by 8. Sine of here we have a plus c, right? So a plus c we have. So how can we write this one? So how can we write this one is this. So from here we can take a minus p, a minus pi of b plus c by 8. So this is equal to 1 minus 4 sine pi minus c by 4, pi minus c by 4. Sine of we can write this as 2 times of pi minus b by 8. So here sine of b plus c we can write a minus pi. What we can write is minus b plus c we can write pi minus a means minus pi plus a we can write divided by 8, divided by 8. So what will get this one? 1 minus 4 sine pi minus c by 4. Here 2 and 2 fours are, so sine of pi minus b by 4 plus the sine of here 2 minus 2 common if you take sine of pi minus a by 8. So we know that sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, so it will become 1 plus 4 sine 2 ones are 2 fours are cancel, pi minus a by 4 into sine pi minus b by 4 into sine pi minus c by 4. So this is the way. So how we will get the RHS? See here RHS. So this is a little difficult to solve. We have to be careful in solving this one and taking the relation. Taking the relation. So this is the way how we will use the conditional trigonometry. So let's see one more different kind of problem in this. That is if a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. If a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Till now we got a plus b plus c is equal to some pi like that. So we proved it. So now 2s, then prove that cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos s minus c plus cos s is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. So this is what we have to prove. Let's see LHS here. So what is the LHS we are having here is cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos of s minus c plus cos c. This is what we have. So we will take this as one pair, this as one pair, and this as one pair. So we'll apply the cos c plus cos d formula. What is the cos c plus cos d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So if you apply this formula, we will get cos of c plus d means s minus a plus s minus b by 2 into cos c minus d means s minus a minus s plus b by 2. This is 2 plus 2 cos s minus c plus c by 2 into cos s minus c minus c by 2 minus c. Sorry, this is s and a, this is s. So this is s. So 2 cos 2s minus a plus b by 2 cos of plus s minus s cancel b minus a by 2 b minus a by 2 plus 2 cos 2s minus c by 2 cos s minus s cancel minus c by 2. We know that cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta only. Plus cos theta only. So according to this, we can write this one as 2 cos 2s. 2s means what they are given in this. 2s means what they are given. See here. 2s is a plus b plus c. That I will substitute here. So what I will get is a plus b plus c. If you remove the bar bracket, minus a minus b by 2 into cos of b minus a by 2. I can write a minus b by 2 also, since cos of negative angle is positive only. So 2 cos, here I can write 2s as a plus b plus c minus c by 2 into cos c by 2 I can write. So here minus a minus b plus cancel. So it will be 2 cos c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus 2 cos, this is plus c minus c cancel, a plus b by 2 into cos c by 2 So from these two terms, I can take the 2 cos c by 2 common. So left out is cos a minus b by 2, that I can write a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. So this is the way how can we write. So cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is, we know cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. So according to that, we can write 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So finally, what we will get the answer for this one is 4, 2 to the 4, cos a by 2, cos b by 2, cos c by 2. So this is the answer for this one. So when a plus b, if a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, so what we'll get, cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos of s minus c plus cos s is equal to 4 cos a by 2, cos b by 2, cos c by 2. So this is what we will get the result for this one. So this is one different thing. So here we can apply different formula in different ways.